We're now in aspect 5 of Desjardins' discussion of liability and fair pricing. Aspect 5 of chapter 8. Okay, so fair pricing conclusions. But is the point of being in business not precisely to raise the price as high as possible or do whatever else maximizes profits? The following is in response to that question. From the ethical standpoint, every person's autonomy should be respected. And that is the point of Kantianism, and must be maximized. And the well being of persons must be maximized for as many beings as possible. That is utilitarianism. In a free market, capitalist context, all of that is accomplished by competition that offers options and possibilities for negotiation. That way, every person's autonomy is respected and the well being for everyone is maximized. A fair price would be one that would be reached under the three conditions of competition, options, and negotiations. Any pricing or other behaviors that seek to undermine those three conditions or take advantage of their absence, such as price gouging, monopolistic prices, or predatory dumping, are unfair and unethical. Economists, with the help of statistical and mathematical models, could roughly estimate what an equilibrium market price would be. In a market in which all three conditions are applied, and these economists could then discuss whether any particular price is fair or not.